Generative AI is experimental. For legal advice, consult a professional. What is a threat? According to Philippine law? In Philippine law, a threat involves statements or actions implying harm or violence against a person's life, property, or rights, aiming to instill fear and potentially leading to criminal charges. Here's a more detailed explanation. Definition: a threat, under Philippine law, is considered a declaration of an intention to inflict a future wrong upon the person, honor, or property of another, or upon the latter's family. Purpose: the act or words must be sufficiently efficacious to create moral pressure and instill fear or mental disturbance in the victim. Elements: threat: the offender must have threatened another person with the infliction of a wrong. Target: the threat can be directed at the person's life, honor, property, or the life, honor, or property of their family. Types of threats. Grave threats: these involve threats that are serious and likely to cause significant fear or harm. Light threats: these involve threats that are less serious and may be made in the heat of anger, but without a clear intent to carry out the threat. Conditional threats: these threats are made with the condition that a certain action is taken or not taken. Examples: I will stone your car if you fail me, conditional threat. I'm going to kidnap your daughter. I'm going to kill your dog. Legal consequences. Depending on the nature and severity of the threat, the offender may be charged under Articles 282, grave threats, or other relevant provisions of the Revised Penal Code, or under special laws like RA 10175 if done online. Intimidation and threats. If an intimidation and threat to inflict an injury is coupled with a demand for money, it may be classified as threats or robbery, depending on whether the gain is immediate or not. Generative AI is experimental. For legal advice, consult a professional.